and welcome to the WBC News Bulletin, your trusted voice from the heart of the campus. I am Purvi and you are watching Women's Broadcasting Campus WBC, where we empower women's voice and bring you stories that shape our academic and social landscape.
Government Women's College celebrate the legacy of Gangadhar Mehar on Gangadhar Jayanti. A thought-provoking seminar by the Department of Philosophy. Emotional farewell for Professor Akshay Kumar Setha by the Psychology Department. Young minds shine in the Bharat Jano Quiz selection. Smooth readmission process for +2 and +3 students. Dream of discipline and service begin with NCC eligibility test for first-year students.
Sanskrit Department celebrate the contribution of Sanskrit in a developed India. Government Women's College celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi with devotion and joy. Syndicate meeting held at Rajendra University, Balangir with special participation from Regional Director of Education, Sambalpur.
Let's story in details.
The college came alive as students and faculty gathered to celebrate Gangadhar Jayanti. The great poet Gangadhar Mehar, often called the Bhakta Kavi, was remembered for his deep words that continue to inspire generations. The event wasn't just a tribute, it was a reminder that literature still connects us with our roots and culture. The philosophy department hosted a seminar that was more than just an academic event. It gave students the chance to question, reflect and explore ideas about life and society. Many felt inspired to look at philosophy not only as a subject but as a way of thinking in daily life. One of the most touching moments of the month came from the psychology department. Students and colleagues gathered to bid farewell to Professor Akshay Kumar Setha. There were smiles, tears and heartfelt speeches. Everyone agreed that his wisdom and kindness will leave a lasting mark on the department and the lives of the students. Our campus buzzed with youthful energy during the school level selection of the Bharat Jano quiz. The quiz wasn't just about answering questions, it was about celebrating knowledge and curiosity. The young participants displayed their sharp minds and competitive spirit, proving that the future is in capable hands. From August 20th to 24th, the college welcomed back its students through the readmission process. It was not just paperwork, it was a fresh beginning. Students came with new hopes and goals, ready to continue their academic journey with enthusiasm. The NCC eligibility test for first-year students filled the campus with determination. Young aspirants took both written and physical tests, each one dreaming of wearing the NCC badge with pride. It was a moment of courage and commitment as students prepared to dedicate themselves to discipline and service. The Sanskrit department proudly celebrated the role of Sanskrit in building a developed India. Students and teachers reflected on how the ancient language continues to inspire science, culture and values even today. The event reminded everyone that Sanskrit is not just a language of the past, it's a guiding light for the future. The spirit of devotion filled the campus as Government Women's College celebrated Ganesh Chaturthi. Students came together with prayers, decorations and cultural programs to honor Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles. The celebration brought joy, unity and a festive spirit that lit up the entire college. A proud moment unfolded on August 26th at Rajendra University, Balangir during the syndicate meeting attended by the Regional Director of Education, Sambalpur. A warm gratitude was expressed to the Vice Chancellor, Registrar, Controller of Examinations, Umesh Sir and others for their excellent arrangements. Special thanks also went to the Department of Higher Education, Government of Odisha for nominating a representative as member of the syndicate.
I'm Indu, signing off. And remember, when women speak, the world listens. Okay, see you in the next bulletin. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.